Hi there, it's Mr. Kieffer again, and today we get to make this yellow piece, and there's of course more than one way to do that, and we'll just try different ways and figure out how to do this. But let's go ahead and create a new design. Please remind me to change the color to save it as yellow, so I don't forget to do that. I guess I could fix that later, but I prefer to do it right the first time. And then also I need to set the grid to inches, because if I leave it at millimeters, it's going to cause problems. So here we go. Before I forget, I'm going to put it to inches, update it. And I got to plug in my Chromebook because it's about ready to die. There we go. Whew, that was close. So let's click here and then just type in yellow. Whoop, whoop. Got too many. Oh, yellow. And let's go ahead and see, what do we want to do here? We could make a block like that, and then we could make this block, this center piece, and just add that piece and that piece if we wanted to. A lot of different ways. So much fun. You can approach it lots of different ways. Let's go to box, and we'll drag that right on over here, put it on there. And I think I will go ahead and just have a little bit of fun with this. Let's change those dimensions to click there and there. I want that to be, let's see, 1.5 tab, 1.5 tab, and then hit enter. So we have that piece. So that's basically 4 pieces. It's just a little bit too tall. We need to shrink that down to 0.75, 0.75, and then enter. So if you were to look at this piece, it would be everything except for this one sticking out and this one sticking out. So if we add a piece here and add a piece up top there, a block up top there, then we would have this completed. So I think we should go ahead and just do that. Let's just drag this on over here. And then let's change that to 0.75. I'll get it back over here, 0.75 and 0.75, and hit enter. So now we have that, plus we want to copy it, and then we want to paste it. And so now we have 2 of those pieces. One we can separate from the other. And I do want to make sure, before we go any further, to make sure that they are on the grid together. So we'll click bottom. We will want to go with switch to orthographic so we get a straight on view of that. It just took a while. Okay, so let me just move this slightly so we know for sure that all the pieces are on the grid. Just move them a little bit to make sure that they're on the grid. Perfect. We'll go ahead and flip that back around, and we'll move these pieces into place. So we're thinking about trying to do this piece. So what we could do is we'll just slide that, make it a little bit bigger so you can see it and I can see it better. We can go there, but I think that's going to be too far. Right there is where we want that piece. And then we want to click on this piece and bring that right into that piece. So then it ends up looking just like we want it to look like. And then let's just go ahead and put a box around this. And then we'll group it together right here. So now that becomes one solid piece. The only other thing we should do is change the color of it to, we want to make that yellow. And actually these colors do make a difference because that's how we're naming them, and that's, how we'll reference them. And you don't want them to be the same color, otherwise you won't be able to identify them when we assemble them into one solid puzzle cube. It won't be solid, but put all the pieces together. All right, let me go ahead and save this. The next one that we're going to do, let's see, which would be the next one, is this blue piece. This piece is a little more challenging. We'll take a look at that, and that'll be your next challenge to make that blue piece. All right, so that's all I've got for today. I'm going to say see you later. Have a wonderful day. If it's Monday, have a marvelous Monday. Or Tuesday, terrific. Wednesday, wonderful. Thursday, thrilling. Friday, fantastic. Anyway, you guys take care.